Look at this timeline. It has hundreds of video clips, audio tracks, and adjustment layers stacked on top of each other. If you are editing a complex travel vlog, finding a single voiceover file in this tangled web can take minutes. But if you set up your files correctly from the start, you can select every single voiceover clip across your entire project and change their volume all at once with a single click. Professional visual effects artists use a specific framework to achieve this kind of control. It is called the atomic workflow. The name sounds highly technical, but the actual execution is as simple as sorting building blocks by color. Treating file organization as a strict biological necessity ensures that your brain spends its energy on creative decisions rather than burning out while searching for lost files. Step 1 happens outside of your editing software entirely. Before you import any media, you must create a master folder on your hard drive called the project root. Inside that root folder, you build a strict numerical hierarchy: O1 footage, O2 audio, and O3 assets. This structure prevents attention residue, the cognitive energy lost when rapidly switching context to hunt for files. Furthermore, moving files after importing breaks the file path, causing missing media errors. To prevent this, every asset must be permanently saved inside the project root before launching your editor. By locking your files into this rigid external folder structure, you create a self-contained, portable database that will not break when moved. Step 2 is bringing that structure inside. When you import your master folder into the After Effects project panel, the software perfectly mirrors your numbered operating system folders. Now we apply visual cognition, the brain's ability to identify a bright color marker exponentially faster than a text label. Locate your imported voiceover files in the project panel and assign them a distinct red color swatch. Red acts as a high-priority psychological signal, demanding immediate attention. You must apply this color tag in the bin before you drag a single asset down into your timeline. Pre-coloring your assets early turns a passive storage bin into an active database where every file can be tracked globally. Step 3 is execution. Look at a fully populated timeline where hundreds of clips are now sequenced together. You play the edit back, and you realize the voiceover volume is completely unbalanced. It is drowning in the background music across the entire video. The amateur approach is to scroll through the timeline, manually open the audio parameters for each clip, and adjust them one by one. Instead, right-click any of your red voiceover layers and select the command Select Label Group. With every voiceover clip now highlighted, press the L key on your keyboard. This instantly reveals the audio levels for all selected clips simultaneously. Finally, click and drag the decibel value on just one of those clips. The software automatically applies that exact volume change to the entire group. By leveraging metadata through label groups, you just turned a tedious 30-minute chore into a seamless 3-second action. Your timeline immediately goes from a state of chaos to perfectly balanced, stress-free audio playback. You achieve complete mental clarity, no longer worrying about missing a clip or breaking your focus to fix a repetitive technical error. This exact color coding logic easily scales to the rest of your edit. You can categorize your sound effects in blue and your graphics in orange. Without relying on complex coding or heavy software plugins, you have successfully implemented an advanced VFX pipeline technique. Mastering the basic logistics of file management removes friction from your workflow, allowing you to edit with pure creative speed.